Hello friends. Today we have a Redmi 9A phone for repair. In this video we will change the USB connector. The phone does not charge at all, so let's disassemble and change the connector. So, friends, I got to the board with USB. Now I'll start dismantling USB. By the way, the phone was disassembled before me. I see that the seal on the screw is open, which means that the phone was disassembled. Now we put the phone aside, and we will clamp the lower board in a special holder. I wrapped the SMD microphone with special heat-resistant tape so as not to overheat it with a hairdryer. I also put the screen on top of it. Well, I turn on the hairdryer and let's get to work. I set the airflow to 70% and the temperature to 400 degrees. Let's go. The USB dismantling was successful. I see that the contacts are filled with compound here, so it needs to be cleaned before installing the new USB. You also need to remove all the solder and thereby prepare the place for the new USB. I'll try to find such a USB now. I think I have one. Having looked at the old USB under a microscope, I found where. It's clear that it got it. Let's solder the new USB with a soldering iron. I'm working under a microscope. I soldered the USB. Now I need to assemble the phone. As you can see, the phone started charging. This completes the repair. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.